Problem 3, when I read this, the area of the equilateral triangle is given by this equation, where S is a side length. But one thing that is very important is that we are going to round to the nearest hundredth. And so that screams this is a calculator question. So I'm going to plug in 2 1/4 in for S. Well, 2 1/4 would be 2.25. So I think it would be easiest to do that as a decimal, again, because we're using our calculators. And I'm plugging that in, that 2.25 in for S. And so notice that is an S squared. So I'm going to get 2.25 quantity squared, okay, because S squared, divided by 4, and all times the square root of 3. And then I'm going to evaluate that. Well, that looks like a good calculator question. So let's go to our TI Nspire. And I'm going to go to New and a Calculator. And I'm going to type it in just the way it looked. So I'll put in parentheses 2.25. And I'm going to do squared. And divided by 4. And I probably want to go back and change that into a fraction here. So let me start that again with my fraction. And I have my 2.25 quantity squared over 4, and then times the square root of 3. Now remember, when I hit enter, I have to hit and hold it down and use the squiggle lines. And so I get 2.19213. Now it asks us to round it to the nearest hundredth, so that's 2 spots. So that's going to be 2.19 for our final answer.